Hi everybody. Today we are going to discuss about the overview measurements of sensors. So in that we are going to discuss about the sensors and its functions. So mainly, what is sensor? The sensor is a device. It will detect the physical properties simply. So detect the physical properties. So what are the physical properties? It may be a indications, or it may be a values, or it may be a temperature, or it may be a pressure, or it may be water flow, whatever it may be. It will detect the physical property or physical phenomena. It is called as a sensor. It will sense and it will do the process. That is called as a sensors mainly. So these are all the types we have. We already physically we have seen these all type of sensors. So mainly where we are mainly used in the sensors, it mainly used in the biometric systems, and then speed sensor to direct and controlling of speed, and touch sensor direct the authentications, and ultrasonic. So ultrasonic sensor having only the two segments, only one transmitter and other one is a receiver. So it will transmit and receive. So it is ultrasonic sensor. Mainly the college students are doing the project in the ultrasonic sensor based devices, and the temperature sensors mainly to detect the temperature, what type of level, the type of sensors available. And the other one is the airbag system. So when we are using the car, we have the airbag systems. So it will hit the car and met accident, in the sense immediately it will open the air balloon, so it will protect the people where we are using the sensors. So fully we are using sensors. So that is a type of sensors. And body, it will detect the body tracking system. So mainly it's always the activity of motion sensor of the human. So it will detect the sensor. So whether we are having moving condition or not, it will detect the sensors, the main functions. So examples where we use in the sensor, we have lot of applications available in the cars. Okay, so nowadays we have the latest car, we have the automated car, and then a fully censored car is available. So that everywhere in car, minimum amount of, we have around 10 to 15 basic fundamentals, basic cars having the minimum 15 types of sensors available nowadays. So for example, so we have the fuel level sensor. So it will indicate the how much fuel is available. It will forecast how much the distance the car will be traveled. So that is a fuel level sensor. And the wheel speed sensors. Suppose we measure the wheel speed, how it will run, and how the vehicle is run properly or not. So wheel speed sensors, we can detect the speed of the sensors. And the mirror sensors, it will be detect the left and right of cars. It will using that mirror sensors. And the accelerator pedal sensor and transmission sensor is mainly used for the gear shifting purpose. So suppose they are drive at the second gear, but the automation will indicate the third gear or second gear or first gear. For that they are using the transmission sensors, and mainly using the headlight range. So it's automatically, it will detect by the darkness, it will automatically sense and will glow the light by the dark density of the light. And also chase level sensors, and motor position sensors, and many sensors we have. So we have detect and steering sensors, and more number of sensors available in cars. That's the main applications of the sensors. And other thing, this is a type of sensors, you know, that the color sensor, gas sensor, LDR sensor, LMS sensor, LM35 alcoholic, and ultrasonic sensor, soil moisture sensor, humidity sensor, touch sensor, IR sensor. So we have lot of sensors available. So based on the applications, we can use the sensors. Okay. So some general statement of the sensor, we can also call as a sensor or actuator. So actuator is also type of sensor. So we can use the sensor. Mainly the four important parameters available. One is transmitter and receiver and energy, and other one is a transducers available in the sensors. Usually it mainly used in the integrated. It's an integrated device, so it's not alone one. So it is integrated device. Sensor is mainly integrated and we connected to the network. That is the main functions of the sensors. And also have the complex. It will be cannot be designed without any of the system. It will be somewhat complex comparable to detect other one. And also it is very difficult to classify, because in the sense, why difficult in the sense, lot of things available, so it's difficult to classify. And the definition of the term confusing, so we have some little bit of confusions also available. The basic function of the definition of the sensors, mainly it will detect the input, what we given the input, it will detect and sense, and exaggerated and developed output will given to the output signal. That is the main functions of the sensors. Mainly the sensors is developed and monitored by the ANSI, that is American National Standard Institute, that will follow the some protocol rules and regulations, so that it will give the some productions and some standardization will be available. Mainly optical, electrical, mechanical, we have lot of applications available, so we can use in the sensors. And transducers, mainly the microphones, loudspeaker, biological sensors and touches, etc. We are using the sensors. And mainly the transducer or probe or gas mainly used to such the start with the dictionaries, mainly detect the function in the physical phenomena. That is the main functions of the sensors. And also American Heritage Directory, there of 1996 it will direct the devices, and 1999 they are producing the second development of the physical. It may be light, sound, pressure, temperature, magnetism, whatever it may be. In the year of 1999 only they have developed the another methodologies. The transducer, mainly we have convert one form of energy into other form. The power of is energy is converted into other form of energy. The main functions of the transducer. Actuator is mainly the mechanism. It's moving the controlling of something indirectly in the way of hand. Like you can able to activate and deactivate in the functions. And especially the device, the responsible for the mechanical device, such as one is connected to the computer, and mainly the sensor link. That is the main functions of the transducer. Thank you.